Visualization techniques for goal achievement. Welcome everyone to a transformative journey of visualization techniques for goal achievement. Today, we delve into the art of crafting mental images that not only inspire, but propel us towards lasting success. Visualization isn't just about dreaming, it's about creating a roadmap for our aspirations. Join me as we explore the dynamic synergy between mind and action, unlocking the potential to turn our dreams into tangible realities. Visualization is a powerful tool that can significantly enhance your journey towards achieving your goals. Instead of merely daydreaming, strategic visualization involves creating a mental image of your desired outcome. This practice taps into the connection between mind and body, fostering a sense of motivation and focus. The power of mental imagery. By vividly imagining yourself succeeding in your goals, you engage your brain in a process that goes beyond wishful thinking. This mental rehearsal stimulates the same neural pathways as actual physical actions, reinforcing a positive mindset and building confidence. In essence, your mind becomes a canvas where you paint the picture of your success. Creating a clear vision. Effective visualization requires clarity. Take the time to define your goals with precision, outlining the specific details of what success looks like for you. Whether it's a career milestone, personal achievement, or a fitness target, the more detailed your mental image, the more impactful the visualization becomes. Engaging the senses. To make your visualizations more immersive, involve all your senses. Feel the emotions associated with achieving your goals, hear the sounds, and even experience the textures. Consistency is key. Regular practice is crucial for the effectiveness of visualization. Make it a daily routine, incorporating it into your morning or evening rituals. Consistency builds familiarity and reinforces the connection between your mental imagery and the actions required for goal attainment. Overcoming challenges. Visualization isn't about avoiding challenges, it's about preparing for them mentally. Picture yourself overcoming obstacles, adapting to setbacks, and emerging stronger. This proactive approach equips you with resilience and a problem-solving mindset, making you better equipped to navigate the twists and turns on your path. Incorporating visualization into your routine. Integrate visualization seamlessly into your daily life. Whether through meditation, journaling, or a dedicated visualization session, find a method that aligns with your lifestyle. The goal is to make this a natural and enjoyable part of your routine, reinforcing your commitment to your aspirations. Turning dreams into reality. The transition from visualization to tangible success involves translating your mental imagery into actionable steps. Use your visualizations as a guide, breaking down your goals into manageable tasks. This step-by-step approach not only makes your objectives more achievable, but also provides a roadmap for progress. Cultivating a positive mindset. Visualization acts as a potent tool for cultivating a positive mindset. As you consistently envision your success, you create a mental environment that fosters optimism and self-belief. This positive outlook becomes a driving force, propelling you forward even in the face of challenges. Celebrating milestones along the way. As you pursue your goals, acknowledge and celebrate the smaller victories. Visualization isn't just about the result, it's about appreciating the journey. Recognizing and rewarding your achievements, no matter how small, reinforces the positive associations linked to your goals. Sharing the vision. Consider sharing your visualizations with a trusted friend or mentor. Articulating your goals out loud creates accountability and external reinforcement. The act of verbalizing your aspirations strengthens your commitment and invites valuable perspectives and support. Adapting and evolving your goals and aspirations may evolve, and so should your visualizations. Regularly reassess and refine your mental images to align with your changing ambitions. This flexibility ensures that your visualization practice remains a dynamic and relevant force in your journey. As we conclude our exploration of visualization techniques, remember that achieving your goals is not just about what you do, it's about how you see it happening. From building resilience to fostering creativity, visualization becomes a powerful ally in your journey. Embrace setbacks, celebrate victories, and keep refining your mental images. With each visualization, you're not just imagining success, you're paving the way for it. Thank you for joining me on this enlightening exploration. Here's to a future crafted with intention, fueled by visualization, and driven by your unwavering commitment to success. Until next time, keep envisioning and keep achieving.